Well, I think it's day 24 harvest log at Overbury, and we are on the highest field that we have on the farm. This is a field called Laloo West, and we're literally 1,000 feet, give one or two, up in the skylark just whizzing across there. Still cutting spring barley. We have probably another half a day, 3/4 a day up here, and then we've got a little bit more kind of halfway down the hill before we get into the spring wheat. Not really improving in terms of yield, yet to hear what's going on with quality. But it's still nice and dry, really thick, well, sort of fairly low cloud, foggy this morning, didn't really get going till after lunch, and we've just been been pushing on since then. So we finished off fields, we did 2 more fields, and then this is the Laloo one, which we'll get the headland off and maybe another trailer or 2 before we call it a night tonight. It's a lovely evening up here. It has actually got a little bit cooler now, which is great. It was very hot this afternoon, but that seems to have just cooled off a little bit. And I think we're back to more seasonal weather tomorrow, so tune in tomorrow, see how we're getting on.